Hey guys, welcome to my video. In today's video, we're gonna open the July 2020 Boxycharm base box. If this is the first time you're watching me unbox a Boxycharm base box, then you don't know yet that we are doing an experiment. In the beginning, when I got Boxycharm, I'd never made a choice selection. Never put it on my calendar, always would forget, and I was happy with my boxes. Then I started making choice. I got on my Boxycharm game, and we started making choices for both the base box and the premium. I've honestly never loved a premium box yet. I don't have a premium box that I'm like, I really love that one. Boxycharm base box, I stopped loving it right when I started making choice. I watched another channel unbox, the Ava Mansouri, and I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name. She said when she made a choice, she didn't like her box. So I started thinking, what if it is the choice that makes it a difference? If I don't make a choice, do I get less filler items? Will I like the box as a whole better than just liking only my choice? So that's what we're doing right now. We're doing an experiment. July, August, and September, I will not be making a choice for my base box, and this is July, so it's the first time of our experiment. It is almost the end of July as I'm filming this. It will probably be August by the time I post this. I got my box this late. Like so late. This has happened to me twice with Boxycharm. But unfortunately I will not be posting this in July, and most of you that are watching this are just like loyals and really want to watch it because everyone's already seen all the Boxycharms. But let's try it on, let's do some research, and let's see how our experiment worked for the first month. We did get a card. Honestly, we shouldn't be this happy to get a card, but it just sucks because we are this happy. I didn't look at the choice items actually, I just went straight to Boxy Pop-Up, but I've seen other people unbox. I know for sure 111 Skin is an option, and I think there's another like vitamin C serum that's an option. First thing is from the CREME shop, or the CREME shop. This is their next gen blender set, travel friendly sponge and triple cut sponge. Latex free, vegan, cruelty free, so I love that. I am kind of excited. I am so picky with sponges. I just opened a sponge. It depends what order I post them in, but I opened one like 4 or 5 days ago. That one will probably get posted first. So we'll see how these measure up as well. I'm so picky with sponges. I believe this product was the choice item that I did not choose, that was chosen for me. This is the Clean Skin Club. It says Vitamin C Brightening Booster. Has this huge C here for vitamin C, and it says watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. I love caffeine for my skincare, like really love caffeine. So green tea, so stoked about that. It is in a glass container. I care about my skincare being in glass, and this is pretty too. It's like this like ombre color look. All right, so I think we got a lip product. This is really frustrating because this has 0 ingredients listed on it, and I care about the ingredients that I put on my lips. This is from ALAMAR Cosmetics, and it is in the shade Birthday Suit. It's kind of like a pink shimmery color. If the ingredients are good, I would be happy to get this color. So we'll see if it doesn't contain any waxes that I avoid, or if it doesn't contain petroleum. The next item is also shimmery, so hey, at least they're getting the memo that I like glitter, right? This is from STUDIOMAKEUP. It's an endurance cream eyeshadow. Ooh, this is more like a shadow topper. This is definitely not like a shadow. Last but not least, we have a palette from Ace Beauty, and this is their Bronzed in Paradise palette. Ooh, this is like a contour palette. It has such a good shade range. Actually, Ace Beauty is a Black-owned beauty brand, so I do love that. These can definitely be used as contour. They can be definitely used as eyeshadow as well. I think I could use all of these colors no matter how dark they are. I will find a use for them. If you've never seen one of my beauty box unboxings before, we have 2 parts. So that was the first part. If you just care like, hey, what's in the box? That was the show part. We will also have the tell part. The tell part is I go off, I do as much research as I possibly can, take all my makeup off, and we try it on, and I tell you exactly what it feels like and any research I found while we try it on. So if you're interested in that, I'll be back in a few moments.
A few moments later.
We're back. You might notice that my face is only naked from here down. I've never done this before. Usually I take all of my makeup off and then we do an entire look with it. We're not gonna do that today. We're just gonna put the eyeshadow topper on top of what we already have. For the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster, this can be used as a serum or as a booster, so you can actually add it to your own cream or lotion. The key ingredients are pineapple extract, watermelon extract, and green tea extract. The pineapple extract has an enzyme that basically eats the skin off of your face. It's actually a really good natural exfoliant. Watermelon is similar. It also has antioxidants like vitamin C and A. Green tea extract is great. It's super anti-inflammatory, so it's really good for acne-prone skin. It's also really full of antioxidants, and antioxidants basically protect us against UV rays. They also protect us against any of the damage that the environment does to us already. It has 31 reviews. This is on the Clean Skin website. I always am a little bit freaked out when something has a 5-star rating and it's on the retailer's website, because I just feel like they couldn't get just even one 4-star, but it does have a 5-star rating and the reviews are rave reviews. A lot of the Boxycharm reviews are also really good. The scent is like a mild watermelon scent, which makes sense because it has that watermelon extract. This product is cruelty-free, it's also vegan, and it is made in the USA. For the Creme Shop Next Gen Blender set, this actually comes in a variety of colors. I got kind of like a peachy pink color. There are 2 sponges. The first is their travel friendly sponge, and this one has a circle shape with 1 wedge side. And the other one is called the Tri-Cut sponge. It has 3 different sides. This product did not have any reviews online, but it is latex free, vegan, cruelty free, and this one is made in China. It had a pretty good feel. I would definitely not say this is my favorite sponge I've ever used. It had a similar feel actually to the one that I just unboxed in my Fashionista box, where it was like a little bit extra bouncy. It did not give me as much full coverage though. I care about full coverage. I think if you just wanted light to medium coverage, this would probably be a great sponge. But I have scarring on my cheeks from acne, and for me, I'm a full coverage type person. I really need my sponge to be able to do full coverage just like my brushes do. For the Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Shadow, I got this in the color pink. I tried it swatched on my hand first. It went on really nice. It has a really pretty glow to it, but just had a little bit of an extra drying feeling, so I didn't want to put it all over my eye because I feel like it would actually be kind of uncomfortable. I did it as a topper in the center of my eye, and then I did it in the inner corner of my eye as a highlight. And this shadow is made in the USA. I do think it did a really good job of brightening up the inner corners of my eye, so it's not like it doesn't work. And this is a cruelty-free and paraben-free company. It doesn't feel like nothing is on. Like, I can feel like the layer on my hand, and I don't know that I want my eye to feel that way. I was gonna go all out on my eye and like apply it across the whole lid, but after this swatch, I honestly can't imagine what that will feel like. I don't feel like it'll feel comfortable at all. For the Ace Beauty Bronze in Paradise, this has 22 reviews and it has a 4.7 rating, a lot of 5-star ratings. A lot of people talked about how great it was in blending it, and I do agree. I think it was blending pretty well. There were several reviewers saying they also use it as eyeshadow. I thought about darkening my eye with one of those dark brown colors on the outside. I definitely think that would work. Ace Beauty is cruelty-free, and this product was made in China. For the ALAMAR Cosmetics lip gloss, I got this in the color Birthday Suit. It says that it is a pink and it's diamond dripped gloss. This did not have enough reviews available online, but it is cruelty-free, it is vegan, and it is made in the US. Unfortunately, it does contain a vegan wax that I personally avoid because it is a petroleum-based wax, and that is microcrystalline wax. It actually smells really, really good. It smells like vanilla frosting. The product is cruelty-free, and it is made in the USA. For my base box, I got variation number 73. So now let's talk about money because it's important. The first product, the Clean Skin Club product, is $50 retail value. The Creme Shop sponges, I use this one, that's why he's missing, is $22 retail value. The Studio Makeup Cream Shadow is $25 retail value. The Ace Beauty Bronzer Palette is $30 retail value. And the ALAMAR Cosmetics Gloss is a $15 retail value. But what items will I use again? What did I personally find value in? Definitely this cream. 100% smells good, feels good. I think it'll be a great booster. I don't know if I've seen any brightening yet because I just tried it, but I have high hopes. I will use these. I love having a lot of sponges and brushes and all of that, so I can never have enough of those, but it's definitely not my favorite that I've ever received. This is in a maybe. I'm gonna put it on the no side. I do like the color, but I really don't like the feeling. If you got this in your box, I mean, most people have already got their box. If you got this, do you feel like it had a really like drying feel to it? I feel it. I feel it even in the inner corner of my eye already as well. For our bronzing palette, yes, this is gonna go over here. I will use it again. It blended out really nicely. The quality is there. I personally don't think it's the best bronzing palette I've ever used, but it's good. So it's going over here. Last but not least, and this is no surprise because this happens to me with every lip product, almost every lip product that I have received. I will not be using this again. It does contain a vegan wax that I do not put on my lips. It is pretty. It has a little bit of a stickiness to it. I don't actually like that sticky feeling in glosses as well. The ingredients for me are the reason why it's going in the no side. And I know that that's personal preference, so it's not fully Boxycharm's fault, but I just wish they would stop sending me lip products. So for my $25, I have $102 worth of value. It always happens that I do get more than my box worth. In fact, just this one product is double what my box costs. So not selecting a choice item or selecting a choice item, does it work? So far our experiment is saying no, because I still don't love my whole box. So we're gonna try to get back to loving our box. We're gonna keep doing the experiment in September as well and August as well. I did not choose for August. We'll see how it goes. Maybe making choice has nothing to do with it. Maybe I am just picky. I'm a picky person. Or maybe Boxy's going downhill. I don't really know. What are your thoughts about this box? Would you have been happy to get this customization? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!